The rhythm of the seasons refines her presence. The caress of Mother Nature crowns her with rich alpine biodiversity. In Mount Hehuan, every creature is playing a joyous tune in harmony to bestow a eulogy upon the celestial pastures amongst the peaks. Hehuanshan, a mountain with extraordinary landscape and diverse forms of life and culture. A glimpse of her beauty grasps the glory of the Creator. Through ages, she has witnessed the unceasing work of ice and the legends of montane dwellers. Hehuanshan National Forest Recreation Area is located around the border between Nantou County and Hualien County, bounded in the south by Kunyang, stretching northwards along Provincial Highway No. 14 by way of Wuling, the top of Taiwan's highway network, to the northern boundary Xiaofengkou. Visitors from the west may take National Freeway No. 6 and Provincial Highway 14A. Those from the north or the east may take Provincial Highway No. 8 and then turn into 14A. Rivers like Dajiaxi, Liuxi, and Zhuoshuixi set off on their journeys here. Hehuanshan National Forest Recreation Area boasts its favored position, with a superb panorama of the surrounding peaks, near and far, all vying to tower into the sky. Among them, Qilai Mountain is known for its steepness, while Nanhu Mountain and the Central Range Point are admired for their unique glacial landforms. With roughly 85% of its area exceeding 3,000 meters in altitude, this is the highest national forest recreation area in Taiwan. Hehuanshan is composed of 6 peaks: Hehuanshan Main Peak, Hehuan East Peak, Hehuan Point, Shimensan, Hehuan West Peak, and Hehuan North Peak. Among these peaks, Hehuan North Peak at an altitude of 3,422 meters is the highest. All the peaks of Hehuanshan are accessible by well-designed footpaths, which include the Hehuan North Peak Trail, leading its way through an imposing summit; the Shimensan Trail, the most approachable among high-altitude footpaths; the Hehuan Main Peak Trail, featuring splendid dawn and dusk views; the Hehuan East Peak Trail, the most popular flora-watching trail in spring; and the Hehuan Point Trail, climbing the glacier-shaped pyramidal peak. During glacial periods, Taiwan was linked to the Eurasian continents. Due to the missing land bridges upon deglaciation, Taiwan has now been isolated and turned into an island with amazingly rich biodiversity. Hehuanshan, situated right in the center of the island, has seen the miraculous evolution of Taiwan's endemic alpine plant and animal species. Thanks to the privileged geographic conditions, Hehuanshan National Forest Recreation Area presents a kaleidoscope of alpine beauty all the year round. The visit of snow is winter's arioso. The Yushan cane takes a lingering look at the silvery world before the snow melts. The lofty Taiwan fir is slowly reviving in the pleasant golden rays shed from the clear sky. In the tranquility of this snowy land, dormant life is everywhere waiting to thrive upon the arrival of spring. The sunrise in springtime favors a visit to Hehuan East Peak with blossoming flowers. On the way, there stand the remains of Taiwan's only ski lift, now being left behind to tell a story about the unparalleled role Hehuanshan plays on the island. Bathed in the spring breeze, the Yushan azalea is blooming in profusion to embellish the alpine grassland right next to heaven. Birds leap onto the shrubs to celebrate the start of a lovely day. Soon after the florescence of azaleas, midsummer brings another climax of highland blossoming period. This is also the breeding season of most alpine birds. The white-whiskered laughing thrush, the collared bush robin, the alpine accenter, the venacious rosefinch, and the Taiwan firecrest are the alpine birds commonly seen in Hehuanshan. They have always been the pearl in the eyes of birdwatchers. Some even travel all the way from afar just for a glance of these birds. The flowers in summer seem shyer than the azalea. These highland fairies settle on the barren rocks and flourish into clusters of gorgeous cuties. Prompted by the south wind, they indulge the world with full-blown blossoms, swaying through the summertime. Mount Hehuan holds diversified ecosystems and ponds spread throughout the basins of the grasslands. A pond is also a niche. The insects in the water will decompose the withered leaves and branches to keep the pond from being silted up. Taiwan fir is the biggest plant species among the forests at high altitudes in Taiwan. They grow into vast pure forests at altitudes of 2,800 to 3,500 meters, nourishing and sheltering alpine wildlife. Deep in the woods, the creek harbors an ancient creature. The Asiatic salamanders are glacial relic species. Taiwan is their southernmost region of distribution in the world. When the mountaintops are lit in the moonlight, nocturnal animals become restless. As opposed to the bustling daytime, a sense of mystery is breathed in the nighttime tranquility. The star-spangled sky of Hehuanshan's summer night opens the gate for imagination and intoxication. Having seen the summer off, the mountain is greeted with a brisk breeze from the north. The alpine silvergrass is swaying in the wind, while the Taiwan Strandvesia presents its dainty fruit. Meanwhile, all the living things have prepared themselves for the severe winter about to come. The first sun rays at dawn illuminate the inimitable atmosphere of high mountains. The slouching plants are throwing off the overnight chill. Refraining is the key to survive at this moment. All the abstaining is just for the sparkling of vitality during a season. This is how wildlife greets each day in Hehuan Mountain. Hehuanshan National Forest Recreation Area features not only its enchanting natural environment, but also Taiwan's highest altitude accommodation, Songxue Lodge, better known as Songxue Lo. At an altitude of 3,150 meters, Songxue Lodge feasts the eyes on extraordinarily magnificent views. Aside from Songxue Lodge, Hehuanshan Villa and Ski Villa are also providing hearty services in this chilly alpine region. A carefully planned itinerary ensures a satisfying tour. In addition, some nearby attractions like Qingjing, Wuling Farm, and Taroko Gorge may be included for an extended tour. From time to time, a variety of festivals are held in Hehuanshan for people to better appreciate the adorable environment here. Hehuanshan is a place with our footsteps and love retained, and also a must-visit mountain for every Taiwanese in his lifetime. In Hehuanshan, we've learned a story about a paradise beneath the vault of heaven, where all the beings are entitled to roam the weald on the hills. With your care, this story shall proceed and never cease.